Bonnie Clare. Oh, the wind and the rain. One was dark and the other was fair. Oh, the dreadful wind and rain. And they both had a love of the miller's son. Oh, the wind and the rain. But he was fonder of the fairer one. Oh, the dreadful wind and rain. So she pushed her into the river to drown. Oh, the wind and the rain watched her as she floated down. Oh, the dreadful wind and rain. And she floated till she came to a miller's pond. Oh, the wind and the rain, floating on the water like a golden swan. Oh, the dreadful wind and rain. And she came to rest on the riverside. Oh, the wind and the rain. Her bones were washed by the rolling tide. Oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Along the road came a fiddler fair. Oh, the wind and the rain. And found her bones just a-lying there. Cried, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. So he made a fiddle peg of her long finger bone. Oh, the wind and the rain. He made a fiddle peg of her long finger bone, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. And he strung his fiddle bow with her long yellow hair. Oh, the wind and the rain. He strung his fiddle bow with her long yellow hair, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. And he made a fiddle of her breastbone. Oh, the wind and the rain. He made a fiddle of her breastbone, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. But the only tune that the fiddle would play was, oh, the wind and the rain. The only tune